Hey, Coach Greg here, and I want you to burn fat with these 4 arm exercises. This is gonna be fun, completely standing, so let's get right to it. We have front and side raises, so we're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. Stand up nice and tall, and here we go. You're just gonna raise your arms up in front of you, and then down and up to the side. Really reach with your fingertips, extend, just like that. Have a nice cadence. You should be fully extended. My back is flat, I'm not rounded over, I'm not all twisted. It's completely in front of me, out to the side. If you want to use weights or resistance bands, feel free to do so. They'll definitely give you that extra burn. But this right here also works. Really screw your feet into the ground. I have my knees slightly bent. Get a nice rhythm. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we have some upright rows. Same position, standing up nice and tall. 30 seconds, and let's go. So pretend you have grocery bags in your hand and you're just trying to put them on the counter. All we're doing is trying to get our elbows up, just like this. This works out your shoulders, your triceps, everything up here, just like that. Doing great. This is a neglected exercise, I feel, with bodyweight movements, but you're gonna start feeling the strain or the burn on your triceps, on your shoulders, upper back, but this feels oh so good. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. We're not done yet. We have arm crossovers. Same position, standing up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna extend our arms off to the side, and then we're gonna bring our arms over, try to cross at the elbows. We're just gonna alternate, so whichever arm is on top first, the next time around, switch it, just like that. Boom, really, again, the name of the game, extend with your fingertips, press away the ground with your feet. You should feel this in your core, in your arms, everywhere. And once you feel like you have a nice cadence, a nice movement, then you can start speeding it up if you'd like. I like this because it also stretches the whole chest, your back, while toning your arms. 3, 2, and 1 more. Done. Great job. Last exercise, and then we'll get into the full sets. We have scissor arms. Very similar to what we just did, but we're just gonna focus on the shorter movement. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Arms in front of us. You can have your palms up, palms down. I'll explain in a second. We'll start palms down. And all we're doing again is trying to cross. Instead of our elbows, we're focusing more on getting our wrists right here. Boom. Same thing, switch which arm is on top. Now, if you do it this way, you're gonna be working out more of your triceps. If you flip your palms over, you're gonna feel the burn a little more in your biceps. So you're here, or you're here. Choose whichever one you like. It's all gonna be good for you. 3, 2, and 1. Great job, shake out your arms. Oh, I'm already feeling it, but we have set number 2 coming up right now. Grab water if you want to, but if not, we're jumping right in. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Front and side raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Upright rows, 3, 2, 1, go. Arm crossovers, 3, 2, 1, go. Scissor arms, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Grab water if you need to. Then we're gonna jump into set number 3. We got this. Again, focus on the squeeze. Really focus on the isometric squeeze just like that. And every rep you do is going to feel like your arms are on fire, but you are gonna love it. So come on, we got this. Set number 3 starts now. Upright rows, 3, 2, 1, go. Arm crossovers, 3, 2, 1, go. Scissor arms, 3, 2, 1, go. And that is how you burn fat with these 4 arm exercises. My arms feel good. Hopefully yours do too. My triceps, my shoulders, my biceps are on fire. So if you like this workout, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new ones dropping. Also, leave us comments. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like. Again, we want to hear from you. We will do our best to respond back. This also just helps us create better and better videos for you guys to continue to watch and all of us to improve our health and our fitness. So hope you have an amazing day. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.